The adaptive cruise control helps you automatically adjust distances and speeds. You can change the settings manually using the lower operating lever on the left side of the steering wheel. Press the Set button to activate the adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is now active. This is displayed in the Audi virtual cockpit. Your Audi can now keep the set distance to the vehicle ahead. You can increase or decrease the distance across 5 levels using the distance switch. The set distance is displayed in the Audi virtual cockpit. Pull and hold the lever toward you to temporarily reduce the distance to the vehicle ahead. The previously set distance is maintained once you let go of the lever. You can store the last distance level for the next time you start the vehicle. To do this, open the Driver Assist menu. Under the Speed tab, you can activate the function. Press the Set button so your Audi keeps to the set speed and distance. Press the Lim button to switch to the speed limiter mode. Depending on the vehicle equipment, you can also activate cruise control without the adaptive cruise control function. Press the distance switch down and briefly hold it in place shortly to do this. You can increase or reduce set speeds by pushing the lever up or down. If you only lightly push the lever, your speed adjusts incrementally. Increase the pressure to adjust in larger steps. You can cancel your speed and distance settings at any time by briefly pushing the operating lever back.